Hello everyone, I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and you're gonna get so sick of this look with all the unboxings, but guess what? We're filming them all, and then editing them, and then putting them out there, and this is the look. So, and if you watch the videos, you'll know where this look came from. So we're doing my November Birchbox unboxing. And this is one of my favorite sample unboxings. I've been doing it, I think almost the entire time they've done it. I think I've been subscribed to them basically almost 10 years. So I love them. So they always come out with like cute little feel-good cards, and this one is one where it's kind of like where it's like what a year it's been, and you fill in incorporate such into your morning beauty routine. I never start my day without it. Then it's like fill in this about the Jade Roller, and it's like my go-to multitasking move right now is. So it, like, you fill it in, and it's like, and if they want you to take a photo, fill it out, take a photo, upload it to Instagram, and tag Birchbox for a chance to win your time care package for you and a friend. So then send it to a friend or family member. So it's a really good thing to really get out there, and just a feel good beauty thing. So it is kind of fun. So I'll see if I'm going to do that. I'm going to ask my friend Renee, who also does Birchbox, and see if she did it, and see if she Instagrammed it. I haven't seen it, but that doesn't mean anything with that. So let's get into the Birchbox. First thing we have here is Generation Skin. I have not heard of them. And this is a brightening plum eye patch. Obviously this is the month of eye patches. This is not the first eye patch I have unboxed this month. But this is not a brand I've heard of it. And it's a Australian superfood. Kakadu. My husband is chuckling over there. Plum. But it is. It's called Kakadu plum. I'm making sure I'm like enunciating this properly. It's said to be the most abundant natural source of vitamin C in the world. We may have to research this. So they sent us one patch of this. So with Generation Skin, the full size, which it doesn't say how many patches are in a full size, which is a shame, is $30. So this is one set. So there's the cockatoo, and I just have to keep saying it because it's just funny. My husband's just shaking his head. So then we have, and remember this is a sample size. This box goes for $15, and they send you 5 to 6 sample size stuff. This is another one, too cool for school. This is the all-in-one egg mellow cream. I love this moisturizer. I used to get this actually from my drugstore who works with Birchbox, so that's also the one that I shop at. So I could order this through my drugstore and get it through Birchbox. And this is a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer, and it's the all-in-one egg mellow cream moisturizer. This is really nice, and I really like this one, so it's nice to get this sample. Full size, this runs for $36. The next one we have is N Mink. This is it looks like a blush stick. The Everything Tulum. It's called Tulum. This multi-use balm gives skin instant radiance. Best applied with fingers. Pat onto your cheekbones, cupid bows, bridge of nose, eyelids for a peachy toned glow. Okay, we have to check out this peachy toned glow. Hold on. So it's one of those multi-sticks, as it's saying. You know, the lips, but they're saying like the nose, the cupid bow, which I don't know if I'd want a peachy glow. I don't think I would want that peachy glow above my lip, because it would look like I missed my lips and my lipstick and I went, yeah. Yeah, no. So this goes, oh, Kiss and Smink, not Kiss and Mink. Kiss and Smink. Full size, this is $20, so that's actually not really badly priced for a full size. I don't know if I would want to put that there. Not bad. Okay, because really, I have been really into the peachy glow lately, so, but blush-wise more than highlighter-wise, but. Here, let's just smear it on the back of the hand. So yes, there is a peachy glow. Next we have the Lisa Watier Base Miracle. This is a skin perfecting primer. It's a pore minimizing primer and stuff like that. I do like a lot of her products. Full size, this is $40. I cannot justify $40 for a face primer. It is a great product. I love to try it. I wish it was more cost friendly, but for what it does, $20 is my limit for a face primer. And I have certain ones that I will spend $20 on, usually when they're on sales. It's buy one get one free, buy one get one half, something like that. More than $20, it's really hard to justify a face primer for that much. So I do limit myself in those thoughts on that category. The next we have is the Arrow, which Birchbox owns Arrow. So when you see Arrow, that is a Birchbox company for them. And it's a detangling, texture, and protect spray. I do not have enough hair to tangle, and if I do, I've had a rough week. And I haven't left bed, obviously, because the only long hair I have is in the front, and that's, you know, and the side. So the stuff in the back is short. This is going to a friend for her and her daughter. Her daughter, preteen. This is great for her. So we're going to put that aside for one of my darling, darling friends. But that does go for $24 full size. It's a bonus and it's an exclusive. But like I said, Birchbox owns Arrow. So for things like that, you're going to see really nice pieces like that in that. Then the other, we have from Birchbox. This is a Jade Roller, I believe. It's a mini, it's a travel size. I don't keep these. I think I've given out quite a few. I'm gonna run out of people to give these things to. But like I said, that might go. I have a little box of stuff for some friends. This is going to go in that box also because I have my one roller that I use that I like refrigerate and to help get the blood circulation and all that going. The Jade Rollers, for some people it works really well. It does not work for me. It's not something that I'm really crazy about. So I will save that for someone that is just really getting into skincare, getting into learning how to circulate the blood on their face and stuff like that. I think in the last 2 years I've been sent probably about 5 or 6 Jade Rollers, and I don't keep any of them. Full size, that is $12, which is not a bad price at all. Usually Jade Rollers do run between $10 to $30 at the drugstore level. So that's not a bad price for a Jade Roller. Eco Tools have Jade Rollers. Obviously Birchbox has Jade Rollers. Full size, this is travel size. Is what I would call this one. So it's very interesting in that. All in all, out of the, 6 items? There's 4 that I'm definitely keeping because I just want to try this because it says cockadoo. And I have some friends that I talk to that's from Australia that's into the beauty industry also. I'm going to still ask them about cockadoo. And I just want to keep saying that word. We will hashtag cockadoo on here. I'm just saying on this video. And then of course the Too Cool for School. I really do like their products. I like the packaging. It's fun and just very entertaining. This Kiss and Smink has my attention. And because I won't spend $40 on this primer, you know, might as well try the sample size. Because I just, that's, I've not yet found a skin perfecting primer that is worth spending that much money on. And believe me, I have tried many primers. No. So, definitely some fun things to play with. Some skincare. Sorry, Zen. My wonderful friend Zinnia. I was sent skincare. But this is going away. And the hair product is going to a friend because they have longer hair than I do. Just saying. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please comment below if you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask. If you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.